There are many news is cornering throughout the India, but the some news we are going to mention with you. The first news came from the CAA. CAA that was the made a law by the central government of the India in 2019 for the non-Muslims who came from the our neighboring Islamic nations, especially Bangladesh, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. Those persons who came to the India, who entered into the India before the 31st December 2014, that would be the citizen of the India, and it was the law made by the Modi government in 2019. But due to the many oppressors, many demonstration of the public, it was not applied by now. But today, central government of the India, Modi government notified it, and it has been applied in India. In this law, the non-Muslims persons like Hindus, Parsi, Baudh, Sikh, Jain, and Isai, you can say Christians. These peoples who came from the Islamic nations, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan, by the 31st December 2014, they would be the Indian citizenship they would have. So this was the notified today, and it has been applied throughout the all the Indias across the level. And then after Dwarka Expressway, that was the very good project for the road development for the India transportation system of the India, and it has been handed over to the public, inaugurated by the PM Modi today. And this will connect to the Khedki Dhaula to the Dwarka, and there is no need to go to the main Gurugram and then after the airport area of the Delhi IGI airport, and that will connect with the Delhi and Mumbai expressway too. And this expressway is the only 18 and 19 kilometer, but it was totally dependable. Only one pillar. It was made 8 lanes expressway, and this was handed to the public today. And then after, next news came from the electoral bonds. Electoral bonds from the Supreme Court once again scolded to the SBI, State Bank of India, did not submit the all the details information about the how many persons purchased the electoral bond from the State Bank of India, and they handed over to the which political party. Such a information is not submitted by the State Bank of India in the Supreme Court by now. And then after Supreme Court scolded the State Bank of India and say that within 24 hours all these reports you have to submit in the Supreme Court. Although central government of the India and then after State Bank of the India, they both wanted at this time for 3 months time they granted from the Supreme Court, but Supreme Court did not listen any plea of the State Bank of India. They do that only 24 hours SBI has to submit these information. And then after, the third news came from the Adani Group. As we know, Adani Group takes over all the airport of the India, and they won the 7 airport from those airports, especially Mumbai, Mangaluru, Guwahati, Lucknow. And then after these seven airports, that will be invested 60,000 crore rupees, and these 60,000 crore rupees would be invested by the Adani Group, and that will be the two side of the airport. The first side is the air side. Air side means for the runway, for the hangar is called the jet parking area at the airport. And then after ATC tower or control tower, the 30,000 crore rupees would be spent by the Adani Group for the air side, and 30,000 crore rupees that will be spent for the city side. City side means commercial activities that were done by the airport areas. That's why a number of the shops are the infrastructure that there are going on. So in this way, 60,000 crore rupees that we would invested by the Adani Group in the airport of these 7 airports. And after that, the next news came from the Oscar 2024. The total 13 Oscars winning categories going on, in which 7 of those 13 category, Oppenheimer movie won the 7 awards. Oppenheimer, that was a person, that was the atomic scientist who made the atom bomb during the Second World War, and this movie is totally based on the Oppenheimer life and his development and invention of the atom bomb. And then after, this movie won the 7 awards. Best Director Award, that was owned by the Christopher Nolan, who is the director of the Oppenheimer movie. And then after, Best Actor Award, it is also owned by the Cillian Murphy, who played the role of the Oppenheimer in the movie. And then after, Best Supporting Actor Award owned by the Robert Downey Jr. And in this way, 3 categories, these and 4 other categories, the Oppenheimer movie won the 7 awards out of the 13 Oscar. And then after, the Fifth news came from the Supreme Court too. Supreme Court once again scolded to the Mamata Banerjee government, and then after said that there is no need to extension of the Shahjahan Sheikh case in the West Bengal. Now CBI will inquire the every nook and corner of the Shahjahan case throughout the West Bengal.